All right, welcome. Today we're going to tackle what is, without a doubt, the single biggest obstacle in trading. And here's a hint. It's not the market. It's what's going on in your own head. We're going to break down this incredible field manual that's all about swapping out that emotional chaos for a solid, disciplined system you can actually rely on.
So let's just start with this question because it really reframes the entire challenge, doesn't it? We spend all this time, all these hours, analyzing charts, looking at news, but what if the real opponent, the real fight, isn't out there at all? And this idea right here, this is the absolute key. The real fight isn't with price action or some fancy algorithm. Nope. It's with the internal distortions that this manual calls ghosts. Think of these as the emotional and mental traps that just wreck our performance when the pressure is on.
So, if the battle is all inside, how in the world do you prepare for that? How do you fight these invisible forces? Well, you don't fight emotion with more emotion. You build a fortress.
This brings us to the core metaphor of the whole system, the keep. This is your personal stronghold, right? It's your fortress for mental discipline and for clarity. And look, this isn't something you're just born with. It's something you build brick by brick to stand up to the sheer chaos of the markets. And every good fortress has its parts. Your foundations? That's about centering yourself, using your breath. The walls? Those are your non-negotiable rules. Your edge, your risk management, the hard lines you don't cross. The gates are where you meet your ghosts, where you actually log them. And the towers and argives, that's where you take all those battles, all those logged events, and you turn them into real, lasting wisdom. Okay, so to defend this keep, you gotta know your enemy. So let's meet these ghosts that are always trying to knock down your walls, especially when you're in the heat of a trade. Now, the manual breaks these distortions down into 4 different layers. We're gonna start with those raw, primal feelings that every single trader has to deal with, and then we'll move all the way up to the really tricky, subtle ones that pop up even when you think you've got it all figured out. First up, the primal ghosts. These are the big ones, right? The raw emotions that just completely hijack your decision-making. We're talking about that gut-wrenching fear that makes you pull your stop right before the trade works out. Or that greed that whispers just a little more, turning a great winner into a loser. Or how about shame, the one that hits after a bad trade and makes you want to just hide from your own process. Next, you've got the temporal ghosts. These guys mess with your rhythm, your timing. You know that feeling of urgency at the market open? The one that screams, "Get in now or you'll miss it." That's a ghost. Or the hesitation that makes you miss your perfect entry, and then you just have to watch the trade run without you. These ghosts twist your sense of time, making you rush when you need to be patient and freeze when you need to act. Then we have the cognitive ghosts. These live purely in your thoughts. It's that voice of regret that makes you want a revenge trade. It's the comparison trap you fall into when you're scrolling on social media and see someone else's huge P&L. And, oh yeah, overconfidence. That one that shows up after a winning streak and convinces you you're invincible, right before you take a huge rule-breaking loss. And finally, we have this sovereign ghosts. Now, these are tricky because they show up when you actually start getting good. It's the complacency that tells you it's okay to skip your pre-market routine just this once, or the attachment you feel to a winning streak that makes you terrified to even take the next trade. These are like the final boss battles, really testing your commitment to the system you've built. So how do you fight them? You don't fight emotion with emotion. You fight distortion with law. When that voice of greed is yelling at you to chase, your predefined, pre-written counterlaw kicks in. I take only what my system gives. See, it's about replacing that hot emotional reaction with a cool, logical declaration. And that brings us to the how-to part, the core tactic. It's not enough to just know what the ghosts are. You need a process, a ritual that you can use to beat them in real time every single time. And that is the ritual of sovereignty. This 5-step cycle is the heart of the practice, and it's designed to be simple enough to use when you're under serious pressure. First, you recognize and name it. You actually say, that's impatience. Second, you breathe. You create a tiny pause between the feeling and your action. 3, you declare your counterlaw. 4, you only act when you're back in line with your system. And 5, and this is so important, you log it. You record the encounter, turning it from a mistake into a lesson. So here's the really crucial point. This ritual is basically a transformer. It takes all that chaotic, reactive, emotional energy, and it channels it. It turns it into a strong, reliable internal structure. This is literally how you build your keep,
one deliberate action at a time.
Now, this is where it gets really interesting, because this whole framework builds into something way bigger than just your trading account. The skills you're forging here in the market, they don't just stay on the charts.
You see, the manual makes it crystal clear that these exact same ghosts, fear, impatience, pride, comparison, they show up everywhere that discipline is tested. Whether you're trying to lead a team at work, navigate a tough conversation with someone you love, or just make a big life decision, the internal enemies are exactly the same.
And this quote just brilliantly sums up the entire goal. The point is not to become some perfect trader who never feels fear or never feels doubt. Come on, that's impossible. The goal is to build a mental and emotional fortress, a keep, that is strong enough to hold steady when those ghosts inevitably show up. It's all about resilience, not perfection.
So this entire system, this whole field manual, it's a pathway. It's a repeatable process for taking all that internal noise, all that emotional chaos and mental distortion that you feel, and transforming it into focus, into purpose, and into clarity of action. And with that, we're going to leave you with the most powerful statement in the entire manual. It's not a question, it's a declaration. After all the work, the building, the logging, the rituals, you've built something inside you that can withstand any storm the market or life throws at you. The keep holds.